Lawrence Reed is being held on a rare federal charge of terrorism against mass transportation. The unusual charge follows decades of state criminal charges against Reed.
72 arrests, 15 since 2016, 8 felony convictions, 7 misdemeanors. Lawrence Reed has been in and out of the criminal justice system for the past 32 years. His latest arrest is what a federal prosecutor called the most, quote, horrific and barbaric crime. The 50-year-old was on an electronic monitor for a previous crime when he allegedly set a 26-year-old CTA Blue Line rider on fire. The woman was scrolling on her phone, minding her own business, when prosecutors say Reed doused her from behind with gasoline and set her on fire. Assistant U.S. Attorney Aaron Bond says the woman tried to get away but was cornered by Reed at the end of the train and set on fire again. And while in police custody, Bond says Reed yelled, quote, burn, expletive, and burn alive, expletive.
This is an absolute failure of our criminal justice as well as our mental health institutions.
Yesterday, Mayor Brandon Johnson called the case an isolated incident on the CTA, but certainly not an isolated case of crime for Reed, given his lengthy record. Prior to the Blue Line arrest, Reed was arrested in August for attacking a social worker at McNeil Hospital in Berwyn while Reed was a psychiatric patient. A Cook County judge released him on an electronic monitor under strong objections from the state's attorney's office. The Safety Act gives judges that discretion.
It is the judgment of those elected judges that ultimately determines, in most cases, whether somebody is released or not.
Requesting detainment, federal prosecutors say Reed has been given too many chances. Defending himself, Reed also asked to be detained. He told U.S. Magistrate Judge Laura McNally he doesn't feel safe out in the public before asking her to make sure he gets to eat while in custody.
Meantime, we reached out to Cook County Judge Teresa Molina Gonzalez. She is the judge that made the decision not to detain Reed in the August case. She nor the chief judge were able to comment.